This full body Pilates is all you need to feel amazing in just 10 minutes. This workout starts right away. We have 14 moves, 45 seconds on with a 10-second break, and it's no repeats. Equipment is a mat and your amazing body. And if you're using your Apple Watch today, you're gonna set it at Pilates. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any workouts. If you want early access, more workouts that are result-driven, all you gotta do is click that join button below. Go ahead and start with your legs up in tabletop. Head and shoulders lifted, arms reach long by your side. We're getting ready for that 100. Pumping the arms vigorously with the option to extend the legs. Roll up, reaching arms back and then up to the sky, and then rounding forward, reaching for the toes, and then rolling back down. Hugging the right knee into the chest for that single leg stretch. Other leg is lifted, and then we're going to switch to the back knee. If at any time your neck is tense or tight, just lower your head to the ground. Legs are up at tabletop. You're gonna open the knees up, have the feet together, lift the head and shoulders, tapping toes down. Feet on the floor, arms reach long by the side. We're gonna go into bridge, lifting the hips up, pause, and then release. Try to roll the spine off the mat, and then roll it back down. We're gonna hold the hips up and go into a march where we're gonna lift one leg up, pause, place it down, and switch. Try to put more pressure in the legs versus your arms. We're gonna flip to all four. Come into bird dog. Hands under shoulders. We'll tuck in and then reach. Pick up your right foot. We're gonna press it up for 3, and then hold at the top, extend and bend. Dropping to the back elbow, knee comes to that front elbow, and extend the leg back. All right, we're gonna do those 2 moves on the other leg. So spin it around, and we're gonna go into that pulse up 3. And then straighten and bend. Drop to your back elbow. We're gonna bring that knee to that front elbow and then extend it back. Coming into a plank, we're gonna tap the knees down and then open up to a side plank. Knees touch, turn front, come back to plank, knee tap, turn to the back. All the way onto your stomach. Hand on top of hand, lifting the chest up, bending and reaching to that foot. Come to your elbows for a forearm plank. Toe tap out to the side. Super job, knees down. Push back into child pose. Go ahead and come on up. Having attitude of gratitude. Roll the shoulders back. Big inhale, reach it out, reach it up. Pull it into your heart. And one last deep breath here. Let it go. You did amazing. I hope you enjoyed that Pilates full body. This is a great one that you can do the beginning, end of your day, or when you need a little break just to make you feel your best. If you enjoyed the workout, thumb it up and comment below, and make sure if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, you guys, and I'll see you back on the mat. Love you. Bye-bye.